Ever wondered how a smart thermostat actually thinks for you? How does it know when to heat up your home or cool it down, even before you touch it? And what kind of tech hides behind this little circular brain that saves you money on energy bills? Today on Unboxed and Rebuilt, we're tearing down a smart thermostat to uncover its hidden sensors, circuits, and brains. And trust me, you'll never look at your home the same way again. Before we crack it open, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we explore the hidden tech inside everyday devices every week. Let's start with what you see. A minimalist interface, usually a glass touchscreen or rotating dial, designed for both looks and usability. Smart thermostats like Nest, Ecobee, or Honeywell Lyric blend into modern homes but hold serious computing power inside. The exterior includes touch sensors or rotary encoders for input, temperature and humidity sensors near the surface, a Wi-Fi module hidden behind the panel for wireless communication. But what happens when you press that temperature button? Let's open it up. Inside, things get interesting. You'll find a main circuit board, just like in a smartphone, and that's because your thermostat is basically a small computer. Here's what you'll see. A microcontroller or ARM-based processor, the brain that runs algorithms, a Wi-Fi or Zigbee chip for home network connectivity, a power regulation circuit converting your home's 24-volt system to low-voltage DC for electronics, multiple sensors, temperature, humidity, motion, and sometimes light. Each sensor feeds real-time data to the processor, which constantly adjusts your HVAC system to maintain optimal comfort and efficiency. Ever notice how your smart thermostat learns your routine? That's because these boards run machine learning models, analyzing your behavior to predict when you're home, asleep, or away. The sensing magic. Let's talk sensors, the heart of every thermostat. Temperature sensor, thermistor, measures ambient air temperature and sends electrical resistance changes to the processor. Humidity sensor, detects moisture to prevent overcooling or mold risk. Motion sensor, PIR, senses movement to switch modes when rooms are unoccupied. Ambient light sensor, adjusts display brightness automatically. These sensors create a real-time environmental profile, allowing your thermostat to fine-tune heating or cooling while saving power. It's not just reacting, it's predicting. When you leave home at 8 a.m. every day, it learns that pattern and pre-adjusts your temperature to save energy. That's why these devices can cut your utility bills by up to 15 to 20% annually, according to the U.S. Department of Energy. Connectivity and smart control. Now, let's decode how it talks to your home. Inside the board, the Wi-Fi or Zigbee chip connects your thermostat to the cloud or your local network. That's how your phone app controls it remotely, or how Alexa and Google Assistant issue voice commands like set living room to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. It also sends encrypted data to servers for processing, learning usage patterns, and receiving software updates over the air. But here's the genius part. Even if your Wi-Fi drops, the internal processor can still run your program's schedules locally. Smart, right? Power and HVAC interface. Flip the backplate, and you'll find the HVAC control terminals, labeled R, C, Y, G, and W. These connect directly to your home's furnace or AC system, sending low-voltage signals that control heating and cooling. The C-wire, or common wire, provides continuous power, essential for running those smart functions. Modern thermostats even monitor voltage irregularities and HVAC runtime data, alerting you if your system's efficiency drops. That's not just convenience, it's preventative maintenance. The future of smart climate control. So where is this technology headed? Expect thermostats that use AI-driven home zoning, CO2 sensors, and even occupancy heat mapping to optimize comfort in real time. Imagine your thermostat adjusting each room's temperature based on body heat detection and sunlight angle. The line between home automation and personal comfort is getting thinner every year. So next time your thermostat quietly adjusts itself, remember it's running a mini weather station, a data processor, and an energy advisor all in one. If you enjoyed this breakdown, give this video a like, share it, and subscribe to Unboxed and Rebuilt for more deep dives into the tech inside the things we use every day. Drop a comment below. What gadget should we take apart next?